In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the NBA 2K24 crashing on your Steam. Now first up guys is we need to check for the game under our library. Now I don't currently have the game installed, but this works with almost every game on Steam. So for this example, let's just say that this game is NBA. What you're gonna do is you right click on it, go to properties. From in here, you're going to go to install files and click verify integrity of game files. Now click on this button and it will verify the integrity of your files. Make sure you do it on the NBA. Now let's wait until this is done and I'll quickly come back. Now that this is done, what you're gonna do is you can right click on it. Remember, this is just an example. You're gonna right click on NBA, properties, go to installed files and press browse. This will open up the folder for your NBA and you're gonna find the NBA with the application. For this game, Muck, it's this one. It will have the logo of the NBA 2024. And it will also have the name and say application. You're going to right click on it, properties, go into compatibility, and make sure you press run this program as an administrator. Then press apply and OK. Once this is done, you're going to click on the little icon down here, right click on Steam and exit Steam. Then reopen Steam and this will hopefully fix your issue. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.